everybody in this room has been a big contributor to make this happen today. This is our third Excel Center here in Memphis. So today we're going to celebrate this new building, not because it's just a building, but for the allows the opportunities for all the people we have in this community. In Shelby County, there are over 100,000 adults that do not have a high school diploma. 1 out of every 7 adults in Shelby County does not have a high school diploma. 22% of them live in poverty. If you do not have your high school diploma, you are 2 times more likely to live in poverty. You are 8 times more likely to be incarcerated.
I was one of those individuals that could use a Goodwill Excel Center when I was in high school. It's not about, opening up this building, but it's about opening up lives. And not just opening up the lives of the individuals that come through here and finish the program, but their generations are going to change.
At one time, I was 30 that I graduated. Yeah. And I stand here today at 51 as the county commissioner.
The Excel Center, the partnerships, the people we see in this room truly exemplify what we can do when we all work together as a community.
I've been at the Excel Center since we started in South Memphis, Norris Road in 2015. And we have come a long way. To be able to stand here today and to go from a staff of 30 to a staff of almost 100, and to go from a network of 500 students to a network of 800 students, and knowing that there's still more work for us to do, this is just truly motivating and a blessing.
For me, the Excel Center was more than just a place to go back to school. It was a second chance. It was a chance for me to finish something that I started, to prove to myself that it wasn't too late for me to accomplish my goals.
98% of all of our graduates graduate with an industrial certification. 86% of all of our graduates are either employed or enrolled in college when they leave. For every $1 that is spent, there's $20 worth of benefit to our community.
The Excel Center, where it's never too late to graduate.